Dodge Ram slash Jeep tour. It's a little bumpy here, so, and my stick is a little loose from the cold and I can't tighten it, so we stopped here. But
Alright, caught up with them.
there's the rest of the group up there.
Well, my name's Perry.
We stopped here. We're just at the beginning of the tour, and this is where a bunch of scenes from True Grit were filmed all around this area here. So okay, we're off again. We better hold on.
Place to go. Oh, well. Good to have that, huh? Nice car roof.
Okay, we made a little stop here, right on the edge of the precipice here.
This little area here is pretty neat. They filmed a few Jeep commercials and Subaru commercials up this road. And they'll see a Jeep or Subaru on this edge and they'll go back there and take a picture. It's a pretty neat picture of a car sitting right on the edge.
Okay. And the Jeep here. It's a little bumpy. And back over here. This is very bumpy back here.
Thomas was a really smart, educated man. He actually was born in England.
That's pretty impressive. Yeah, I'm going through it. I'll show you how to do it. Very amazing. 5'5" and Russian.
That was actually a boarding house, and the mine, the ore came through there. So it's kind of a weird situation how they worked with it. They brought the ore out of the mine shaft, which is right behind the little building behind the building, and it would come through the building. They loaded a wagon and haul it out. But that was the old boarding house for that. And you used to be able to.
There's some more of the revenue mine here. Still in operation from what they said. Oh, we're stopping. Okay. Looks like some tailings way up there. Boy, you have to get yourself up in there and where you're going to be dumping those tailings. I don't know how that's possible. I don't know, but I'm still here. I'm in the truck. Taking a little break here now, so got the sun is out, so the sun is good. It's a little bumpy, but yeah, anyhow, we're still heading up. It's good.
Are you gonna stop here?
Okay.
Get a little closer.
Okay.
When everything closed down and back in the, I think it was about the 50s, early 50s
I
or so,
get that.
they dismantled that white building, that boarding house, and all the lumber from that white boarding house is what framed the motel, the Antlers Motel in Ouray.
Wow.
All the boards are there. And I think it's not the Antlers anymore. I can't remember. It's right across from you guys, from where you're staying at the
Oh,
chalet.
a Bedford or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, the hotel?
So is this what they call Yankee Boy Base?
Not quite there yet.
Not yet.
quite.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Can't hold the camera still here.
See the building way up yonder? Yeah, that's governor.
Oh, yeah,
All the way
yeah.
down the ground.
We're on a rugged
Governor.
road now, so there we're going to stop. There's a building way up there, if you look like right about there somehow. Stop the video and you'll see it.
Springs or something? She owns stalagmites. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the hoodoos almost.
Yeah. I think we all harvest.
Some snow here that we're going past. If you can see it, it's bumpy. That's why I'm talking funny.
Oh, never.
Today, September the 12th, we made a little stop up here. I didn't get my phone out to check the altimeter to see what the altitude is, but this is our trusty vehicle in back of us here. It's a beautiful day, the sun is out, and there's no wind, even though I have my goggles on because I thought there would be a lot of wind as we're coming up, but it's pretty good here. I'm going to come back. You can see our vehicle back there. So it's working pretty good. So, all right. See you later. Bye bye.
At that time, I only had a two-wheel drive pickup, so I still lived in Texas. And
This is where we stopped for a bathroom break. Okay, here's my phone. I don't know if you can see it. I have a reflection there. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see it, but it says 11,255 feet there. So that's our altitude right here, 11,255 feet. So far, we might even be going higher up that road, going down there. I don't know if it's the turnaround point or we're going to keep going, but we'll see. There's our other vehicle there. Folks are going to be hopping out like busy little bees there. And we're back over here. This is our trusty steed here. The top of the tour, we're actually going to turn around here and head back on down. And nice mountains. There's still a trail to go up a little higher, but we're going to make a few more stops on the way down. Probably some cars here from hikers that were here. And more things up there too that's possible there. Okay. And here's the other side of the road here. And like I said, 11,250 feet, give or take a couple feet. but the road that we came up on is over here. And I know I'm going into the sun, but that's part of it there. Here comes the other vehicle coming up. Vehicle number 3. I better get out of the way. There's a guy in a four-wheeler here. Truck is working its way up with the people. I'll get out of the way. Get over here in the shade with these guys coming by here. And this is our third vehicle from our group here. And they have made it up here. I can see, and you're all going to wave to me here. All right.